Good afternoon, students. Yes, students, tomorrow your weekly test will be held on Wednesday, and today you have to start preparation for that. And I am telling you the syllabus for weekly test, that is lesson 2. So today you have to prepare for the lesson 2. I will help you in revising lesson 2. How you have to revise this lesson 2? First of all, you have read in this lesson about the heterotropic nutrition. What do you mean by heterotropic nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on other organisms for food is called heterotropic mode of nutrition. It means कि animals can't prepare their own food, then they take food in the solid or liquid form from that contains complex nutrients, and you know these complex nutrients can't be used directly by the animals, so these complex nutrients need to be broken down into the simpler forms that can be easily absorbed by the body, and the unabsorbed food is removed by the body as waste. So the mode of nutrition in which food is taken into the body and then broken down into the simpler substance is called holozoic nutrition. So heterotropic nutrition, what is heterotropic nutrition? What is holozoic nutrition? You understand this? Already we have studied each and every concept in detail. Today we are only doing revision, and that then you have to study about the process of holozoic nutrition in animals. Process of holozoic nutrition involves 5 steps. First step, ingestion. Second step, digestion. Third step, absorption. Fourth step, assimilation. And last, egestion. As you know, ingestion. First step is ingestion. In means taking of food into the mouth. And different animals take in food in different ways. Here you have to learn this also, ki how different animals take in food by how many ways. For example, Hydra. Hydra uses finger-like projections called tentacles. Then you have to study about butterfly. Butterfly uses a long tubular mouth part called proboscis to suck nectar. From the flowers. Then you have to learn frogs and toads have a long, sticky tongue. Birds have beaks. Snakes swallow their food as a whole. In this way, you have to learn how different animals uh, take food by how many methods. Then, after that, you have to study each and every step in humans, in animals, in detail. For example, ingestion. In the process of ingestion, what happens to the food in the mouth? कि माउथ के अंदर जब फूड we take food into the mouth, then teeth are there in the mouth. What do teeth do? Tongue and salivary gland. As teeth help us to cut, chew and break down the food into smaller pieces. This makes food easy to digest. Or then salivary glands release saliva, and saliva mixes with the food, and in this way the food start tasting sweets. So after that we have to study कि from the mouth food passes into the oesophagus. Oesophagus is also known as food pipe. How food passes from the mouth to the stomach by the peristaltic movement. Then you have to study what do you mean by the peristaltic movement, wave-like movements. Then food passes into the stomach. Then you have to learn stomach shape, J shape, bag-like muscular organ it is, and what happens to the food in the stomach. As you know, in the stomach The cell lining the stomach secrete digestive juices, hydrochloric acid and mucus. What is the role of digestive juices? Digestive juices help in the digestion of proteins, whereas hydrochloric acid kills the microbes that enter the body with the mouth. It also provides the acidic medium for the efficient digestion of the food. And third, mucus. Mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of the hydrochloric acid. In this way, you have to study what happens to the food in the stomach. Now, food passes into the small intestine. In the uh, small intestine is a highly coiled muscular tube. It is longest part, of the alimentary canal, and digestion of process completes here. Liver and pancreas, two glands are there which secrete their secretion into the small intestine, and liver secretes bile, and bile is stored in the gallbladder, and bile is released into the small intestine by small duct that is known as bile duct. And what do bile do? Bile helps in the digestion of fats, and bile convert fats into fatty acid and glycerol, which are the simpler form of the food. Now, walls of the small intestine also secrete certain digestive juice that helps in the digestion of all the components of food. Carbohydrates are converted into simple sugar, fats into fatty acid and glycerol, proteins into amino acid. In this way, the food digestion completes here. Then absorption, you have to study about the absorption. Ki villi absorb the digested food, which are villi are the finger-like projections which are present in the small intestine. Then you have to read about the assimilation. In the assimilation process, what happens? In the assimilation process, you have to study that the food that is absorbed by the villi of the small intestine, how that absorbed food is used for the growth and repair worn out tissue and the development of the body. Then at the last, the undigested food is removed from the body. This is known as egestion. After that, you have to study digestion in the grass eating animals. Then in the amoeba also you have to study. In this way, you have to study in detail complete lesson. And my dear student, after that you have to learn keywords earlier also we have learned. In the previous weekly test also we have given you keywords: holozoic nutrition, pseudopodia, chyme, villi, peristaltic, rumination and curve. Then you in exercise complete you have to learn. In the exercise MCQ, fill-ups, name the following: true, false, give reasons, one word question answer in brief. Up to G part you have to learn. Okay, H part no matter, later on we will take the test, but you have to draw the two diagrams, that is human digestive system and nutrition in amoeba. Three times you have to do practice, and you have to send this homework to me. 100% you have to send to me, and start preparation. As I have told you, you have to start preparation in the same way. Be happy, stay healthy, and best of luck from my side. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day.